Hey there everyone, welcome to Chasing Cuts. My name is Hayden and today we are at this beautiful lake giving it a chance at fly fishing. We have some buddies here on the shore over there if you can see them. We have Skitty fishing, slamming those trout, and we also have Mr. Kelly over there, and I have my family here. We're having a good old time and we're just gonna have some fun. We'll see if we can catch some fish. Join us for the adventure. We're looking for Colorado River cutthroat trout. Let's get started. We have a fish on, as you can see. There he is, just a little guy, but pretty nonetheless. An absolutely epic tiger catch. So I'm out here on my float tube, just fishing my 9'5" weight. We have occasional fish rising. There's a little bit of chop on the water, and Mr. Skitty Fishing is saying that that's what the fish are liking. Myself, we're seeing them rise every now and again, but the fish do hang out shallow sometimes, especially near the edges of the lake. So I might paddle myself in and try and fish closer to shore. We'll see what works today. I've worked my way over to this opposite shore, and I just had a fish rise right by my indicator. Not sure what they're rising for, but there are people all around the lake today fishing, and people are catching them here and there. It's not like a fire day, but I think we'll have a fish on before we know it. Since that last video clip, some time has passed. I've been trying all sorts of different patterns and colors. I literally just had my first actual bite or take. My indicator shot down super fast. So hopefully I can get something here. The lake is the busiest I've ever seen it. Tons of people. A lot of people fishing from the shore, many others fishing from boats, and other people are having some luck. I just haven't been one of the lucky ones yet. We have a fish on, as you can see. We'll get him in. Nice sized one too. Oh, a tiger. There we go. What a fish. Holy cow. Look at that guy. That's amazing. There he is. What a trout. An absolutely epic tiger catch. I think this might be my biggest tiger ever. That's so cool. One last look, and off he goes. Colorful, colorful fish. Well, let's keep up that momentum. Looks like we've got a little guy this time. Looks like it's a cutthroat. There we go. Went for the balanced leech. I'm using a black balanced leech. There he is, just a young little fella. Silvery guy, not much color to him, but really bright red cutthroat. Off he goes. That was in the same place as the last fish. Come on, bounce, bounce, bounce. I have a balanced leech and a scud, so I'm not sure which one they're showing interest in. That fish just jumped right by my dad. It's funny how that can happen. It's like they taunt us. I was distracted by a car passing by on the road. I look over and my indicator's down, and I go, oh, I guess I have a fish. Looks like we have another cutthroat. Nice. A little bigger size than the last one, and some nice color to him too. There he is. Went for that little balanced leech. There he goes. We've got another one on the line. Feels like a little nicer fish. It's giving up a good fight. Oh yes. Perfect. Nicest cutthroat of the day, size-wise. There he is, really pretty fish, some great color there on the gill plate. Just really stunning example of a Colorado River cut. I love the red slash under their chin. Great fish. And off he goes. We got another one on the line. in that same area as I caught the last two. Haven't seen it yet. Come on, buddy. Oh, it went for the scud this time. Woohoo! Another cut. Funny, I've been hearing a lot of people that have been fishing around the lake talking about catching lots of tigers, but I've only caught one tiger and the rest have been cutthroat so far. Another great fish, probably in that 13, 14-inch range. Off he goes. Really murky water today. It's amazing that the fish can see a tiny little scud in, you know, this kind of water. We've got ourselves another fish right here. It looked for a second like it was a tiger. We'll find out here in a second though. Come on up, buddy. Ooh, feisty fellow. Come on, come on. Yeah, tiger. Colorful guy too. Woohoo! Another one of the better sized fish of the day. Absolutely epic tiger trout. Has a nice little hook jaw going on right here, underbite. Cool trout. We'll let him go. See you, dude. Nice. Wind is picking up a little bit, but that didn't stop this fish from biting. Looks like it went for the scud. Oh, and a fish just rose over there. Have to keep fishing this area for a sec. There we go, smaller cutthroat. There he is, just a little guy, but pretty nonetheless. I'm gonna cast my fly over there where I saw that fish just jump, and that's right where we kind of hooked that last one too. So maybe that's a good spot right now. Been a minute since the last fish, and this one just showed up in the same place where the last ones have kind of been coming from. Another cutthroat. Love to see it. Here's a quick look at him. Nice fish. Off you go. Yeah, funny how this spot has been kind of the most productive for me today. I just had a fish jump like rod length ahead of me, about 9 feet away. My uncle just scooped up a monster over there. It's a monster if 10-inch fish are monsters. It's been a second since I've caught one myself, but my uncle's over there. He's doing really good. I'm the one that's probably in the tail end of the pack at the moment. So we'll just keep on fishing, see what we can find. Well, gang, it was a bit of a slower day. We did catch some fish, thankfully. I think like 7 or 8. A couple of tigers in there, which was really cool. They were really beautiful. The rest of my crew that I was here with, they all caught about 10 or so, which is pretty good. There was, it was a slower day, but we had a fun time. So tune in next time for some more cutthroat trout chasing adventures. Like, subscribe, do whatever you want to do. But until next time, tight lines.